In Indian culture, 5 elements play a very, very important role. Yeah, so the whole intention of yoga is to clean our 5 elements. To cleansing of 5 elements is the main intention of yoga. All the yogic sciences, no matter what they do, it's all about cleansing of your 5 elements. So today we're going to learn about cleansing of our 5 elements in our atmosphere. Yes, so there's a small thing that you can do. I'm going to give you instructions for that, for your own well-being and for your own celebration, because today is about celebration. Yes, it's time to rejoice. Yeah, so you create this in your space, in your physical space. So what you need is rice flour or any flour that you get. You add water in that and make a thick paste out of that. With this paste you create one triangle, and then you create one more triangle on the opposite side. This is how you do it. And in between, now there's a space. You keep a bowl with water in it, put some flour in it, and place a candle inside of this. You can also place a lamp if you have. Yes, so that it stays, either it touches the bottom or it floats, that's okay. You place it in the center of that triangle. Yeah, so what you have done is you have created a space. These 2 triangles represent Anahata, which is a middle chakra, and in this chakra where the material world and the physical space and the spiritual space meet. So you create that small space for yourself. Yes, and in between you're using the water, you're using the earth element. Your earth element is your flower. Yes, and you're using the fire element in the form of a lamp. Air and space is already there, right? So you're creating this 5 elements cleansing process, and you sit there and listen to this music for the next 10 minutes. Yes, no matter what, you sit with your eyes closed in the form of a meditation, play this music in this space and just be here. Now whatever way your body wants to be with this music, if it wants to dance, let it dance. Wants to cry, let it cry. Whatever you feel like, let this happen to you. Okay, this is your activity for today. And once you do that, you share your experience on the group. Thanks so much.